Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock going into this week, and then we'll take a look at Rivian, Lucid and Ford as well. Now, I also want to point you to my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. Check out some of the videos that I have done here in the last couple of days, and the last one, the most important one, that is I'm talking about the month-end dividends and profits, and I here hold Nvidia, Tesla, utility ETFs, energy ETFs, finance ETFs, you name it, everything. So it's a very balanced portfolio that I have been building for you all. And if you're interested in following along, subscribe here as well. Link to this channel you will find in the description of this video. All right. So let's come back to Tesla here. And we had a really good close on Friday, right? And we continued to stay above that 200 days moving average. We continue to stay above that $203 area range, which constitute as a very important level on the weekly interval as well, due to this formation of inverted head and shoulder, and that kind of constituted a neckline. We had a strong massive breakout above that when I was talking about back then, that this is, if we can get out of this channel with this inverted head and shoulder, that's going to give us a massive squeeze, and we got that back then as well. Now we are still holding higher lows here with those pivots, and this pivot is coming in good. The week didn't close bad, it closed good. Now let's take a look at the daily interval, and from there on we'll make our way to the lower time frames as well. So as I just showed you, we held really good levels, and especially we got above 20 days moving average as well. Now we are at our next level, 249.66 cents. That's where the previous, well, almost close to a previous pivot is, and recent some, you can see here, we have this little bit of a recent sell-off zone as well here, right? So this is something, an important zone to watch. Now, this shouldn't be a surprise to you that, let's go to the 5 minutes interval. So I gave you this one of the levels on the night of Thursday, that if Tesla, and this is when the price was right over here, if Tesla can stabilize above this level of 208 going into this next day, that was Friday at that time, and into this blue box, right, and you just have to extend the blue box. If Tesla can stabilize into it and above it, it's just going to go and continue up, that is to the next level of 249.68 cents. We got that particular play as well that day, right? Now what from here? So let's go to the hourly interval. So yes, intraday Tesla is bullish, all right, as long as we don't lose this level of 210.79 cents. As long as Tesla continue to stay above this level, now we are still bullish. I'm going to get rid of that blue box, we don't need that now. So yeah, the zone, so this is the level 210.79 cents. Above this, Tesla is just still bullish. Pullbacks, just a buy. If we just get above from where we are, that's awesome as well. Then getting above 249.74 cents is just a continuation as well to the upside. So in other words, everything until 210 will constitute just a pullback on intraday as well, and it's just a bullish play. If we lose that, then we have a problem, all right, if we lose 210.79 cents, all right. Okay, so that's Tesla. It's not complicated going into this week. So Tesla is quite simple, and yeah, let's also take a look at the short volume data if we have something important. And well, Tesla guys, anything until 35 is very normal on Tesla. So no, I'm not too worried about it over here. Yeah, it's just a normal short volume. Tesla gets shorted this much easily. So okay, so let's take a look at now Rivian and Lucid and Ford. So let's go to the Rivian now. So okay, so importantly, well, Rivian still is holding technically a bullish structure. If I show you my another tool, it's still holding a bullish structure, and I gave you this level on Rivian that we are running into this choppiness with this supply zone, this red box up there, right? And but we are not breaking bearish, because this $13.65, as I said, is the last line of defense. Structure changed with this good demand green candle. We have been going up. I know this is getting really choppy here. Hey, but this is Rivian, it's not Tesla. So now going in this particular week, if we stay above $14.13, it's just an upside. Can a weakness happen? Let's take a look at hourly interval because that's where clarity would come. So we are still getting bought back up above close to 200 hours moving average as well. So far, yeah, guys, this is the level. If we get above $14.13, it's an upside play. Where it is right now, just seeing how much buying is always happening in this zone, I don't want to short it. So if it gets above $14.13, just an upside play. If it loses, if it can't, it's your choice. I don't want to touch it to the downside, just saying my opinion. Right, and then if you lose the $13.65 down there, that's where the problem is. The reason, at least for the next day, I don't want to touch it on the short side is because we have been having good buying demand zone at 20 days moving average. I don't want to touch short right now on Rivian. That's just my opinion. Lucid. Okay, Lucid, very simple. The big next move on upside will be above $4.10 only. It's very simple. If it can't do it, it's gonna struggle. And yeah, technically it's holding its ground, but the next move is good one is above $4.10. That's when the good move is. Downside move, I don't want to touch it to the downside, but if you really want to just do it downside, $3.96 is the level to watch. Above is $4.10, a massive move to the upside. Ford, let's go to the daily interval first, and yeah, so Ford still maintaining a bullish structure, right? Still maintaining a bullish structure. We just formed a pivot at this pullback zone. That's great. If we would have lost this level like $10.97, then we were watching like, okay, 20 days moving as the next zone. But yeah, technically, let's see if $11.55 and then $11.93 is in its route. And on hourly interval also it's looking good, not bad. Just cool off, is just still getting bought back up. So yeah. Yep, so structure was bullish, continues to remain bullish as well. It held our levels, never broke to the downside, so things are still fine on Lucid. Okay, doggy, guys, that's it for this video. And don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. And also, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below as well that you see in my videos. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.